Hi there, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we learned how to create and use Microsoft 365 group. Now, it's time for us to learn more about the security group. So let's navigate to Microsoft Entra Admin Center and click on Identity from the Entra Admin Center. And you can click on All Groups and All Groups. This is where you can create your new group. In fact, we did the same thing for Microsoft 365. Now, for security group, you could enter here a group name. For example, here all alpha department users or all alpha department users as a description. Now, we have an option to choose here assigned or dynamic device. So we would be using assign. It is a very straightforward, like you could assign the members. But before that, as a recommended method, always to have the owners. So in this case, I'm assigning Bobby as the owner. So Bobby will receive an email saying that, hey, you are the owner. So you could add or invite the group members. That's what he can do. And now I should be able to even add the members. Let's say I want this group should have the Chris as the user example. So I should be able to click on create to complete the creation process for this group. Let's do a quick refresh to get the all alpha department users. And as you can see here, the total number of users and the owner and also the members that will be listed here. If you want to assign licenses, you could assign from here. And you can always have audit logs with respect to either any of the resources. In this case, we are on all alpha department users security group. So you should be able to view all the logs. This is going to give you what happened, who has done modifications, all that information will be listed here. That being said, let's jump into next lecture about the dynamic user as well as the dynamic device. So I'll catch you there. Thank you for watching this.